Harleston Village. The neighborhood known as Harleston Village was one of the first suburbs of historic Charleston and is located between Broad Street to the south, Calhoun Street to the north, King Street to the east, and the Ashley River to the west. At the eastern end of this neighborhood is one of the oldest and most beautiful colleges in the country, at the College of Charleston, established in 1770. At the south end of this neighborhood, you will find Colonial Lake. This is a great lake to take a walk around and view the beautiful and historic homes surrounding the lake. Just across the street from the lake is General William Moultrie Playground and Park, where you will find pickleball and tennis courts. On the western border of Harleston Village is the Ashley River. There are multiple marinas on this side of the peninsula along the river, including the Safe Harbor Charleston City Marina, the Ashley Marina, and the Safe Harbor Bristol. Another close marina on the other side of the river in West Ashley is the Ripley Light Marina. There is a great restaurant near this marina called California Dreamin', and I recommend you stop in and try the sheet crab soup here. There are boat slips for sale and for rent at these marinas. This may be a good area for you if you're a boater. There are currently a couple marinas in Charleston that even allow liveaboards, so some people do live on their boat. You can browse boat slips for sale at GarrisonCharleston.com and get more information about these marinas. The northwestern end of Harleston Village borders Calhoun Street. Right across the street, you have the medical district and great hospitals at Roper Hospital, the Medical University of South Carolina, or MUSC, and the VA Hospital. You also have MUSC Sean Jenkins Children's Hospital. Harleston Village is also home to the Old Charleston Jail, which was operational from 1802 to 1939 and held many notorious criminals over the years, including pirates, Civil War POWs, and Lavinia Fisher. And this jail is available to tour. At the northern end of Harleston Village is Cannon Park, a 2.7-acre park that is a popular location for dog owners. The columns at this park are all that remain of the Old Charleston Museum following a fire in 1981. Harleston Village has a lot of large single-family homes and also has some townhomes and condos, including condos in the nearby Ashley House where you can get a good water view, and condos at the Baker House near Colonial Lake. The western end of Harleston Village may be a good location for you if you'd like to live close to downtown Charleston but want to be a little further away from all the action. The east end of Harleston Village is bordered by King Street and the College of Charleston, and this will be the busier side of Harleston Village that will see the majority of the tourism. You can watch my tour of the entire Charleston Peninsula in my YouTube channel, and I'll also put a link in the description below, or you can go to GarrisonCharleston.com and click on the downtown link. You will also be able to browse homes for sale and for rent in the historic district of downtown Charleston. If you have any questions about moving to Charleston, you can give me a call or text anytime at 843-769-1836. Thanks for watching.